So, how's the Friday duty?
It was good. We slept after, and then this girl arrived, and she had the
What time?
audacity to
What
arrive
time
at
did she?
1:30.
1:30.
Yes.
1:30. She fucking arrived at 1:30. Kung kailan pa tapos na kami. How about you? How are you?
Okay lang siya. Okay lang ng bataan na. Pero murag dili siya okay. Pero okay ra siya. Pero dili siya masabtan. Buang man siya. Mao nang musay siya.
Buang. Mag-jeep na kami ngayon. Oh my God, mag-jeep si Kyle.
Magje-jeep ako.
Kailan ko na to? Di talaga siya nagsasalita pag
This is
gano'n.
my how many times?
Ay, ano ba?
Yung nakasakay sa jeep.
Hindi ko alam. Teka. From the appointment, that was like one. One day.
Ibilang yan.
Oh, ay, hindi. Tuesday, katatlo talaga. Ay, the second day, hindi Tuesday. So like Wednesday. Katatlo.
Grabe, the way she explains it, parang
Alright.
this is a very rare situation, experience. What's that? Yes, let's go. Oh my God, I'm gonna leave and take you off.